Show today. It's the kind of show that causes you to say, you know what, I think I'd like to do this, particularly after we stuffed the bus. Listen, the stuff the bus thing was so absolutely sensational. Thanks to you, all of you folks managed to make this a huge success.
Raised over $10,000, nearly 500 backpacks for kids that definitely need the school supplies. So thank you so much to all of our partners.
And let's say special thanks to specifically to those partners like Lincoln Heritage Life Insurance, 550 KFYI, Phoenix West Rotary, USA Karate Helping Hand for Freedom, Tim's Auto Group, SunWest Federal Credit Union, Ride Now Power Sports, Arizona Sunrays Gymnastics Dance. Oh, and let's not forget Chompies. They kept everybody fed. Oh, and the Red Bull ladies were wandering around keeping the energy up too.
Lots of eye candy.
You are the most important people because you stuffed those backpacks and stuffed that bus. Back in a moment.